It was last summer that I co-chaired a working group for the National Institute of Health together with Dr. Bill Colucci at Boston University. And so our charge is to bring together the experts in mitochondrial biology and human disease and review the progress in the field. We all learned in school mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. It makes energy, so it will make cell function. But the research in the last few decades actually recognized that mitochondria plays more important roles, far more roles than just being the furnace of the house. It's actually the central controller of the cell, and it communicates with every part of the cell and coordinates the survival and death decisions. And that's why mitochondria is now considered an important target for therapy. So mitochondrial dysfunction has been recognized for many diseases such as neurodegenerative disease such as Alzheimer or cancer and diabetes, obesity. But there's more progress in the heart failure front because heart failure was considered an energy deficiency disease at the early time period of research. So it doesn't mean that mitochondria is only important for heart failure. It's actually important for many diseases. So there's two forms of heart failure. One form is traditionally we looked a lot about it. It's called heart failure with reduced ejection fraction. That means the heart cannot pump anymore. And now there's heart failure with preserved ejection fraction, means the heart can still pump, but the blood doesn't return to the heart. So as our population age, the second kind of heart failure is rising in incidence, and there are already emerging studies showing the mitochondrial function and metabolism could play an important role there. So there's some very promising lead for us to pursue. We have some beautiful studies, the community collectively, that showing that we could fix the mitochondria in a cell culture dish or in small animal models, but there has been no drug available on the market to treat human diseases, so that will be our focus for the next step. Mitochondria is in every human cell, except red blood cells, and it is critical for the cell to live, and it's most likely making trouble if you get sick. And so here is the target for us to shoot at. If we develop medicine that could keep mitochondria in check, that would be beneficial for everybody's health.